Provincial Governor, Honorable Rogelio Onel Roque. Followed by the regional banner, headed by our regional director, Dr. Arturo B. Bayoko.
And now, as we continue the celebration of excellence, unity, and sportsmanship here at the Nmraa 2026, we now come to another highly symbolic part of the program, the hoisting of the delegation banners.